What's up everybody, Andre here from the Ride With Us team. We're out here at Fox Raceway today for SurferCross, one of the coolest events every year. Everyone's looking forward to it. It's a great community event that brings both surfing and motocross into one event. It's all about the good times. There are no losers in an event like this. Come hang out with us over the next few days and we'll bring you all the action.
Come on, ready up for fun.
My name is Jeremy Albrecht. I've been in the motorcycle industry for a long time. In 1999, I partnered up with a pro surfer, Mike Parsons. I just kind of need someone that's a surfer to help connect those guys. I invite all the motocross guys, and we just put on 2 days of fun. We have a lot of really good partners. It's a good time.
This event's super fun. We usually make it into a family trip. Moto one day, surfing the next. Kind of fun because you're all over the place. You know where you're at until you're done. Could be in 20th, could be in first, no clue.
I'm stoked to be here and look forward to this event all year long. Can't wait to get into the water tomorrow on the surfboards.
What up everybody, my name's Pop and I've been doing SurferCross for 11 years now and I'm 64 years old. I think I'm probably one of the oldest participants, but these kids can't keep up.
Man, this is one of the best events I've ever been to. It's just good vibes, so we're having fun out here.
I like coming to SurferCross because it's one of the events that I do once a year that's actually like fun and doesn't have very much pressure behind it. It's literally just all about having fun, and I meet a bunch of wonderful people every single year.
I look forward to this event every year and I meet new friends.
The vibe here is so cool. This is one special event I always have on my calendar. Definitely won't miss it for the years to come.
And that's it from SurferCross 2024. Whole day of moto yesterday at the track, back by a day out here on the beach with this beautiful weather. This is one of those events people just don't want to miss every year. The community that surrounded it, a bunch of cool times out here with a bunch of cool people. We'll see you next year.